In this lecture, we will discuss about road safety in India. We will also discuss about NCRB data on road accidents. According to a report of National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB), more than 1.73 lakh people were killed and 4.47 lakh injured in road accidents across the country in 2023। एनसीआरबी के एक रिपोर्ट के अकॉर्डिंग 2023 में इंडिया के अंदर अबाउट 1.73 लाख पीपल किल्ड हुए एंड 4.47 लाख पीपल इंजर्ड हुए रोड एक्सीडेंट में। की पॉइंट्स ऑफ एनसीआरबी रिलेटेड टू रोड एक्सीडेंट। टोटल रोड एक्सीडेंट took place in the country in 2023 4,64,029 people were killed, more than 1.73 lakh injured 4.47 lakh। टू व्हीलर राइडर विक्टिम nearly 46% जो हाईएस्ट है। टू मेजर causes of road accident speeding and careless, the highest number of accident timing between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. The highest number of deaths were reported on national highway accounting for 34.6%, followed by state highway at 23.4%। What are the causes for a high road accident in India? इंडिया में हाई रोड एक्सीडेंट के क्या क्या कॉजेज हैं? नंबर वन, ह्यूमन बिहेवियर। The main cause of road accident in India is human error, particularly reckless driving and over-speeding. It also includes non-compliance with the traffic law, such as not wearing helmet and seat belt. Number two, infrastructure deficiencies. Road design flaws such as potholes, lack of proper underpasses, foot overbridges, and poorly maintained roads significantly contribute to accidents. Number three, lack of a crash monitoring system. The national road safety data systems in India are inadequate for informing public policy. At present, there is no national database at the crash level for detecting accident. Number four, vehicle related issues. Inadequate safety features in vehicle such as old technology also contribute to the high fatality rate. Number five, lack of awareness and enforcement. Despite interventions, India still faces significant gap in enforcing road safety regulations. Many Indian people have limited knowledge about the importance of safety features such as the airbag, anti-lock braking system, and the proper use of seat belt. Public awareness campaigns, though ongoing, have not established effective culture of road safety. What are the initiatives for रोड सेफ्टी इन इंडिया? इंडिया में रोड सेफ्टी को इंश्योर करने के लिए क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव्स टेकिंग किए गए हैं? गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव। नंबर वन, नेशनल रोड सेफ्टी पॉलिसी 2010 एज पर एस सुंदर कमेटी। नंबर टू, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ a रोड सेफ्टी इंफॉर्मेशन डाटाबेस एंड नेशनल रोड सेफ्टी काउंसिल। नंबर थ्री, मोटर व्हीकल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2019। नंबर फोर, द कैरीज बाय रोड एक्ट 2007। नंबर फाइव, द कंट्रोल ऑफ नेशनल हाईवे लैंड एंड ट्रैफिक एक्ट 2000। नंबर सिक्स, नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया एट 1998। नंबर सेवन, थर्ड हाई लेवल ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन रोड सेफ्टी फॉर अचीविंग ग्लोबल गोल 2030। सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स इंटरवेंशन। नंबर वन, सुप्रीम कोर्ट of India had set up the three-member Justice K.S. Radhakrishnan panel on road safety in April 2014, which recommended the ban on the sale of alcohol on highway to restrain drunk driving. It also directed states to implement a law on wearing helmet. Number two, the Supreme Court in 2017 issued a number of directives with regard to road safety and included measures like constitution of a state road safety council, a road safety fund, constitution of a district road safety committee, and inclusion of road safety education in the academic curriculum of school. What are global initiatives related to road safety? Number one, Brasilia Declaration on Road Safety 2015. This declaration aims to achieve Sustainable Development Goal 3.6, which target a 50% reduction in a global death and injuries due to road traffic accident by 2030. It was signed by India in 2015. Number two, Decade of Action for Road Safety 2021-2030. United Nations second decade of action for road safety 2021 to 2030 focus on reducing road traffic death and injuries by at least 50% by 2030 through a global resolution to improve road safety. Number 3, Bloomberg Initiative for Global Road Safety 2020-25. This initiative targets reducing road traffic fatalities and injuries in low and middle income countries and cities by implementing life saving measures. This is PYQ related to this article. What is the way forward? Central and state government need to prioritize the scale up of road safety intervention. A national database for fatal crashes should